If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Epic Games, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment information. Ensure that all your payment details are entered correctly. Verify your credit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address to make sure they match what your bank has on file. Step 2. Confirm sufficient funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Contact your bank. Sometimes, banks may block transactions for security reasons. Contact your bank or credit card provider to confirm that they are not blocking the transaction and to ensure your account is in good standing. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using an alternative payment method. Epic Games accepts various payment options, including PayPal and different credit or debit cards. Step 5. Update Epic Games account settings. Log into your Epic Games account and review your payment settings. Make sure your payment method is up to date and remove any old or expired payment methods. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment decline issues on Epic Games. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.